I'm walking to my car. I press the button to unlock my car. I open the door. I sit inside my car. I fasten my seatbelt. I start the car. I check my mirror. I put the car into drive. I slowly back out of the parking spot.
I drive carefully down the street. I turn on the right turn signal. I turn right.
Checking my mirrors as I move. I straighten the wheel. I speed up a little. I see pedestrians who want to cross the street.
I wait for the pedestrians to cross.
Now I continue driving straight. I approach the traffic light. The light is red. I stop the car. The light is green. I continue driving straight. I turn on the left turn signal. I yield to oncoming traffic. Now I turn left onto the next street. I finish my left turn. Now I drive straight on the new street. Everything looks good. I park the car and turn off the engine. Let's look at the dashboard, the steering wheel, speedometer, fuel gauge.
This is the steering wheel. Here is the speedometer. It shows how fast you drive. This is the fuel gauge. It tells you how much gas you have. All these are part of the dashboard. Here is the gear lever. These are the windshield wipers. This switch turns on the headlights. These are all important parts inside the car.
I get out of the car. Now, let's look at the outside parts of the car. I'll show you what they're called. These are the headlights. This is the side mirror. These are the wheels. And these are the doors. This is the hood. And this is the trunk. That's all for today. Now you know the main parts of a car, inside and outside. See you next time.
Interesting vocabulary and phrases.
I'm walking to my car.
I'm walking to my car. That means I'm moving toward my car on foot. I'm going to it.
I press the button to unlock my car.
I press the button to unlock my car. To unlock means to open it. I use the button on my car key.
I open the door. I sit inside my car.
Now I open the door. Simple. I use my hand to open the car door. I sit inside my car. I go inside and sit down on the driver's seat.
I fasten my seatbelt.
I fasten my seatbelt. To fasten means to put the seatbelt on and make it click.
I start the car.
I start the car. That means I turn on the engine so I can drive.
I check my mirror.
I check my mirrors. I look in the mirrors to see what's behind and beside me.
I put the car into drive.
I put the car into drive. If your car is automatic, you move the gear to D for drive.
I slowly back out of the parking spot.
I slowly move out of the parking spot. That means I leave the place where my car was parked. I drive carefully down the street. I drive carefully down the street. I go forward on the road, not too fast. I turn on the right turn signal. I turn on the right turn signal. A turn signal is a light that shows other drivers I'm turning. I turn right. I turn right. That means I move the steering wheel to the right and go that way.
Checking my mirrors as I move.
Checking my mirrors as I move. That means I look in my mirrors while I'm driving to make sure everything is safe around me.
I straighten the wheel. I speed up a little.
I straighten the wheel. I turn the wheel back so the car goes straight again. I speed up a little. I drive a bit faster. Not too much, just a little.
I see pedestrians who want to cross the street.
I see pedestrians waiting to cross. Pedestrians are people walking on the street. I wait for the pedestrians to cross. I wait for the pedestrians to cross. I don't move. I let them go first.
Now I continue driving straight.
Now I continue driving straight. I keep going forward on the same road.
I approach the traffic light.
I approach the traffic light. To approach means to get closer to something. Here, the light.
The light is red. I stop the car.
The light is red. That means stop. I stop the car. I press the brake pedal and wait.
The light is green. I continue driving straight.
The light is green. That means go. It's safe to move. I continue driving straight. I go forward again.
I turn on the left turn signal.
I turn on the left turn signal. Now I want to turn left, so I show it with the signal.
I yield to oncoming traffic.
I yield to oncoming traffic. That means I wait and let the cars coming toward me go first. I don't turn until it's safe.
Now I turn left onto the next street.
Now I turn left onto the next street. I move the steering wheel left and go onto another street.
I finish my left turn.
I finish my left turn. I complete the turn and go straight again.
Now I drive straight on the new street.
Now I drive straight on the new street. I keep driving forward.
Everything looks good.
Everything looks good. It means everything is safe and normal.
I park the car and turn off the engine.
I park the car and turn off the engine. I stop the car, put it in P, park, and turn it off.
Let's look at the dashboard.
Let's look at the dashboard. The dashboard is the front panel inside your car with all the controls. This is the steering wheel. This is the steering wheel. You use it to turn the car left or right. Here is the speedometer. It shows how fast you drive. Here is the speedometer. It shows how fast you drive. It's a round dial that shows your speed in miles or kilometers per hour. This is the fuel gauge. This is the fuel gauge. If it's low, you need to get fuel. All these are part of the dashboard. All these are part of the dashboard. They all belong to the control panel in front of the driver. Here's the gear lever. Here is the gear lever. It's the stick you move to change between drive, reverse, or park. These are the windshield wipers. These are the windshield wipers. They clean the front glass when it rains. This switch turns on the headlights. This switch turns on the headlights. Headlights help you see at night or in bad weather. These are all important parts inside the car. These are all important parts inside the car. Everything here helps you drive safely.
I get out of the car.
I get out of the car. That means I open the door and leave the car. I step outside.
These are the headlights.
These are the headlights. They're the bright lights on the front of the car.
This is the side mirror.
This is the side mirror. It helps you see cars next to you.
These are the wheels.
These are the wheels. They help the car move.
And these are the doors.
These are the doors. They let you get in and out of the car.
This is the hood.
This is the hood. The hood covers the engine at the front of the car.
And this is the trunk.
And this is the trunk. It's the storage space at the back of the car.
That's all for today. Now you know the main parts of a car, inside and outside. See you next time.